Coaching with Depth. What is this program? What is this method? What is this art? Generally, when we are guiding somebody, we do it according to whatever we have learned so far. Coaching with Depth takes a dive in, and its aim is to equip you as a coach, as a guide, to directly sense, to directly spot. That is the key vision or the goal of Coaching with Depth. Can people guide others with far more greater accuracy, concreteness in spotting what exactly is their difficulty, which part of being it is coming from, and what exactly is the solution that they are looking for, not from what they are articulating. Most of the time when people are articulating, the true problem or the solution is not understood. There's a lot of distortion, there's a lot of confusions that are running. But within the person, within their core, within the potentiality of their being, both the problem exists and the solution that is needed uniquely for them exists. As a coach, can you offer a space for them? Can you be neutral? Can you offer a space for them so that the exact problem is seen, the exact part of being is seen, and what is the exact solution that is birthing within them is also seen? So there are many things that we learn in Coaching with Depth, but if I were to focus on the one key thing, can you learn to spot directly the core challenge and the core solution that is needed for this individual at this point of time? Going beyond all the theories to direct way of working. So what we do is to give people this expertise. We do a 1.5 day online workshop. The next that is coming, you can take a look at it. In that itself, we give all the tools, we give all the methods. And then for those interested, we take them into a longer journey, 9 months, and hold a small group of people coaching with each other. We help them to really soak into and hold and allow that expertise to come within them. Thank you so much. This is Arul Dev sharing about Coaching with Depth.